you may join us. Okay, so good evening, everyone. Thank you for joining me here. I didn't have any specific name to call this, so I just called it 1 month YouTube push. So let's see how much we can achieve on YouTube in the next 1 month. So we have 40 minutes, and I also want us to see how far we can go in the next 40 minutes. So I'll just jump right into it. So what's YouTube? This YouTube. YouTube is an online television platform, right? Created by Google. Most people don't know that YouTube is a Google app. Yes, YouTube is a Google app. So I asked for a volunteer to share me his or her Gmail account that we can use for an example, because I didn't want to use my own Gmail account. Practically, I want us to set up somebody's YouTube channel, right? And thank God that Mr. Omoba Okoyemi volunteered his Gmail account for us to use. So we'll be setting up his YouTube channel basically, and I'll be showing you step-by-step process how to do it and how to set it up. Okay, so let's get right into it. We don't have so much time, so I'll be sharing my screen. If you have questions, please make use of the chat box. Because we have limited time, I want us to achieve more with the time that we have available. So if you have questions, please make use of the chat box. I will attend to your question during the course of this training. My name is Chidima Osigwe, in case you're meeting me for the first time, because I know people join from different platforms, right? So my name is Chidima Osigwe, and I'll be sharing my screen right about now. So once you switch back, right, you can access all of that Google app. You can access your Gmail account. You can access Google Images. You can access Google Search, normal Google Search, Google Map, YouTube, Google Play Store, Google News, your Gmail account, Google Meet. So there are lots of platforms under Google that you can access, but we are looking at YouTube, right? So I clicked on YouTube and it brought me here. Okay, great. Yes, so we have Mr. Omotola's Gmail account, right, signed in, and we're trying to bring him on to the YouTube platform. So YouTube is already telling us that this is a new account. So it's already telling us that how do you want to appear? What name do you want to use? Okoyemi Omoba, and this is the handle, right? Sometimes, because if you have a name that is already in existence, you might have funny handles, right? Maybe there is 1, 2, 3, 4. So it's up to you to adjust your YouTube handle to something unique, because nothing like this exists already. That's why YouTube is ticking it as green, that it's available. This YouTube handle is available, right? So you can always change this to whatever you want to change it to. Then you can select a picture. I would advise that if you are creating a business YouTube channel, use your logo as your display picture. If you are creating a personal YouTube channel, use your personal picture as your display picture, just like your DP on Facebook, right? That's what DP, yeah, that's what it's been called on Facebook, right? Or on Instagram, or your display picture on WhatsApp, like that. So you can change your picture immediately, and then you click get started. So I asked Mr. Omoba that, what's his YouTube channel about? What's his YouTube channel about? And he said it is about education and culture.
I can't hear you. Okay, I can't hear you. Okay.
Okay, can you hear me now?
Yes, I can hear you now, ma'am.
All right, so thank you very much. So after changing your display picture from that point, while you are setting up, If you don't have your display picture while you're setting up, that's okay, right? So what you do is, look at what I did. The same way you have your YouTube, you want to watch something, you can go ahead and watch anything. Let's say you're not setting up your YouTube channel to get monetized or to you just want to have your YouTube channel to be able to watch other videos of other people on YouTube, then that's fine. You can proceed from here. You can even choose not to put a display picture and all of that and proceed. But if you are setting up YouTube for business, to upload videos, to share content and all of that, the next thing you need to do is, you see this green dot that has your initial here, you just come, you click on it. The moment you click on it, it tells you view your channel. You can access a lot of things from here. You can see your Google account, switch account if you want to change, if you're managing more than one YouTube account, to sign out. YouTube Studio, we need YouTube Studio. So please download YouTube Studio on your phone. Please mute yourself. Once you come in, please mute yourself. Please download YouTube Studio on your phone. You see the app YouTube Studio from your Google Play Store or your Apple Store, depending on the phone that you're using. Download YouTube Studio on your phone because we'll need it in the long run. So I'm using my laptop to show you all of these things that all these adjustments I'm making from my laptop. You can also make this adjustment on your phone. Please, who is still speaking? Please mute yourself, Mr. Stone. Please mute yourself. Thank you very much. Okay, so great. Okay, so like I said, download YouTube Studio on your phone. So let's adjust Mr. Okpeyemi's YouTube channel. So once you click on that, it brings you here. Then what you need to do is customize channel. So it's loading. Great. So it tells you welcome to YouTube Studio. So the same way you have YouTube Studio on your phone and then you can customize YouTube Studio on your phone, that's the same way you can customize from here. So let's come here. Great. So our layout. If you want people to see a particular video, that's even the first task that I will give you. If you're creating your YouTube channel for the first time, or if you already have a YouTube channel that you have created, I would need you to upload a video encouraging people to subscribe to your channel. Basically, this channel trailer is the first video people see when they come on your channel. For my personal channel, what I did was I used an already existing video that is a spoken word video that the moment you log into youtube.com/IamChidimaR, the spoken word video starts playing automatically. So that's what this channel trailer is about. That's the first thing people get to listen once they come on your YouTube channel. For someone that is just starting out, I would advise that the first video people get to see is a video telling people, welcome to my channel. My channel is about this, this, and this. Kindly like, comment, and subscribe. So as you grow in your brand, you can then change your video, right? That I started with something like that. Please like, comment, subscribe. I want you to watch this video or so video. Then I changed it as time went by, and right now what you see when you come to my personal channel is a spoken word video, because I also want people to see that aside my professional career, I'm also a spoken word artist. That's my reason for that, right? So you come here, you add the video. If the video is already in existence, right, you can add the video from here. You can, if you, all you just need to do is upload the video, then search for your video and click on the one you want to add. Then if you also want to put a featured video for returning subscribers, people that have subscribed to your channel, anytime they come back to watch a new video, if you want to put a video to tell them thank you, returning subscriber, for coming back to my YouTube channel, you can also add that here, right? So you can do this. This is basically the settings, right? So I would advise you leave this on so that YouTube recommends to viewers based on what they've watched on other people's channel. If you have similar content, that's what YouTube will push to them first, right? So you can set this up. You can change this short videos, your long videos. If you want people to see your YouTube shorts, the moment they click on the home screen, you can leave this like this. You can rename this from these three buttons. You can remove this section, add new section, rename the section however you want, include a playlist if you have created a playlist. So this is about your layout. Your layout is basically how you want your YouTube channel to appear to people. The front page of your YouTube channel, the home button of your YouTube channel, how you want people to see it, right? So let's come to the branding. Like I said, you should upload a display picture, right? So upload a display picture. You can come here, click on upload. Once you click on upload, it brings out, I have many details. This is too much information. Okay, so once you click on upload, right? So you get to pick a picture, for example, that I don't want to pick any random picture because this is Mr. Omoba's YouTube channel. But I want to show you guys something that is very important, which will be your banner image, right? So YouTube recommends that you upload an image that is 2048 by 115 pixel, right? So how are we going to get this? Two ways. If you already have a picture already that you have designed that is not this size, you can go ahead on google.com, type resize image, and it will help you resize. You see sites where you can resize your image for free. But what I would advise is you go to canva.com, canva.com. You can click on create a design. So what did they call that? Okay, custom size. Instead of looking for YouTube. So from create a design, you can look for the type of design you want to create. You can input your what's it called? YouTube banner and do that. But for us to get the actual size, since I know what I'm looking forward to achieving, I'll just click on great. I believe you can no longer see my screen, right? So I'll need to share again, right? Please, can somebody confirm?
We can't see your screen again now.
All right, thank you very much for the confirmation. All right, so yes, I was talking about creating a custom YouTube banner. So what I will just do is I'll come here, create a custom size. The size YouTube gave us was 2048, right? By 1152. So just click on create new design. So Canva has the free free section, or what's the word for it, and then there is the paid aspect of Canva. So as long as you can keep playing your way around it, you can always opt for the free section of Canva, right? You'd have templates that you can access for free. So except if you are a full-time designer, then you can go ahead and pay for Canva. But if you're making use of the designs once, then I don't think you should be paying for Canva. Well, I also know of people that will tell you access Canva for free, lifetime free subscription. You just pay 1,000 naira, all of that. but because of the kind of content me I deal with and privacy, I don't do all those stuff, right? You can also create your team on Canva and all of that. So let's look for a free design that we can use as our banner. You also need Canva or any other design app for your thumbnails. You actually, we'll talk about YouTube thumbnails as we go ahead in this discussion on this training on another day, right? So let's just pick something very simple. Anyone that has this thing showing us that it is paid. So let's go for something free. Okay. YouTube banner. Yeah. So this saves us stress. So I just fix this and doesn't have the paid stuff. So I believe it's free. So let the network help us load it up. So what I will just do in this case is I will just adjust at Omoba Opeyemi. You can play around it. I'm just doing something quick, right? Training on Canva is for another day. That one is another intensive training on its own. It's not YouTube. Canva is another stuff on its own. So I can just say maybe welcome to my YouTube channel, whatever you want to write.